Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an opening of the Erin Condren surprise box, and I'm so excited to share it with you today. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And if you're returning, welcome back. I am so glad to have you here again today with me, with Megan. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so I would just like to start by saying that this box has been opened before. This is not the first time I am seeing what is in the box. And I have opened a few things in here, so like plastic wraps and stuff will be off. However, I feel like this box has a lot of great goodies inside of it. It is $49.99, I think is what it is what it retails for. And I don't know that the spring surprise box will still be sold again, but I think that they obviously are coming out with one every single quarter. So, if you couldn't guess, there might be summer surprise box. So if you missed out on this one, if you did, then make sure to check out the next one. Now, I don't know that this is the case. I'm just going to share this with you. I believe if it's sold out online, they're still selling them in stores. So if you wanted one, I will link the store numbers if I can. And then if you reach out to them, they may be able to ship you one. So that's just an idea as well. All right. I love their packaging. Always have the courage to start. I think that they have the best packaging I've ever seen of any planner company shipping. Love it. They have a little like note about the surprise box, which I really like. And then they have a little overview of what's in the box. I am not going to show you that exactly in depth because obviously I want to show you what is in it. I'm going to move the box out of the way and I'm going to pull stuff out of the box. But you got an idea of what was in the box. Now, if you like Erin Condren and you have been wanting to try one of her planners, right now is the time because they've been running some crazy good sales on them, I think, to get ready for the new planner release. But, yeah, really good sales. All right, so first thing I'm going to show you was actually on this ring, but is a skinny 10 washi, thin skinny washi. I like it. It comes on this little ring. I like that the colors are just neutral, rainbow colored washi. It's ready to go, ready to use. And then the ring came with it. I put it on the ring. It was originally on this little thingy right here. Another thing that came in this surprise box is a dual tip markers. I happen to have quite a few of these markers. And these two colors I think are exclusive to the box right now. So if you are like a pen color Nazi where you don't want all of them and you don't have all of them, this is the place to get it. But they have two different side tips. They have the thin tip and then they have the thick tip. And I use these as pens. Like they're markers, but I use them kind of as pens. If you have the thick enough planner, they will not bleed through. If your planner is really thin, they will bleed through. So shizzle my whizzle. Okay, you get these cute little stickers with some gold foil, or silver. There's no gold on here, Megan. There's some rose gold foil on this side, which is really pretty, and then silver foil. And one thing I will say about Erin Condren products is a lot of it is made right here in the USA, and I think that that's really awesome. Really awesome. Okay, this I love because I have a lot of these in my planners, but I don't have any independently. So you have this cute little box with this little like stretchy band, and if you open it up, you have all these little sticky notes. Love, love, love this idea. I will keep this on my desk ready to go because sometimes I need a sticky note and my planner's not around. which it's always really pretty close, but this is, I love this. What a great idea. Brilliant. Brilliant. Okay. The next thing that is in, now I am not going in any specific order, but I will tell you that I am saving my favorite thing for last. So, and I'm using my cheat sheet. Yep, okay. So the next thing that is in the surprise box is something I have not opened yet, but goes with the theme of the box. Always have the courage to start. It's a cover, which I love. And one thing I love about it is when you have the covers, when you buy the planners from them, they have this like little like barcode on the inside, I guess, just to make sure they're getting the right thing. This is nice because it does not have that. So you have that ready to go, and I love it. They have a lined one on the back and then the non-lined one in the front. Well, I mean, I suppose you can use either side for whichever, but that is the idea behind it. So you can switch out your planner cover if you want. So choose. Okay, then my favorite thing out of the whole box, not that everything else hasn't been great so far, but my favorite thing is this amazing umbrella. It is the prettiest. I'm not going to be able to open you, and I've opened it like 4 times in the house. I'm apparently not very superstitious, but it is the most beautiful umbrella I have ever seen. In fact, if you look at this, she's using the umbrella. I love it so, 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 so much. I am so in love with it, and I needed a new umbrella, and I am so, so, so in love with it. And the bottom of it is Megan Blue. This is really, if they want to rename it Megan Blue, it's because it needs to be. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So, to recap, you get this amazing umbrella, washi, 2 markers, a little sticky note box, stickers, and cover. The umbrella alone, if you buy a really good quality umbrella, is like worth the whole box right there. So for me, the umbrella is like made everything better. It just was great. I was so excited about it. Again, I don't know if this is still available online. I think the surprise boxes, which who doesn't love surprise boxes? So I feel like if you're interested in planner surprise boxes, then this is the surprise box for you. But if it's not still available online, then you may try, if you really want this umbrella and you don't live close, call a store and just tell them and see what they'll do. You never know. You never know if it is something that's super important. They may just make an exception. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you enjoyed all the goodies that are in this box. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them below for me. I would love to answer them and see if I can help you out. And until next time, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next video. Talk to y'all soon.